Do you ever feel like your sales day gets away from you before it even starts? Imagine having a calendar that not only prioritizes your tasks, but actually sets you up for success. In this video, I want to show you how to use AI, specifically ChatGPT, for its simplicity to create the perfect sales calendar and start taking control of your time. What's up, everybody? Ryan James Miller here, and I am back again with the second video in our series exploring how AI can transform your sales game. Today, I want to show you how to use ChatGPT to prioritize tasks, create daily to-do lists, and optimize your schedule like I do mine. If you're feeling overwhelmed and like your calendar is just out of control and instead you want to turn it into a productivity powerhouse, let's dive in. Now, if you remember in the last video, I shared with you how we can utilize AI tools like Motion and ChatGPT to start to prioritize our calendar by taking a screenshot of it and then uploading that to ChatGPT and then telling it what we need to get done. It could fill in other tasks. So I want to dive a little bit deeper into that. And by the way, if you didn't see that first video, go back and watch this one before you check out this one here. I should say, go back and check out that one before you check out this one here. Okay, why is this so important? Because as I shared previously, salespeople like myself, I'm an entrepreneur. I run my business. I'm responsible predominantly for the sales in our business. I regularly struggle with not having enough time. It's something that we all struggle with. And so then if I'm already struggling with time and then I have unstructured days, poor priorities or missing priorities, I'm reacting to my schedule or reacting to other people's need to be on my calendar, it just creates a cluster. Don't you agree? Yeah, so what I typically coach salespeople around is how to create a more structured sales calendar, understanding what needs to go there, when it needs to go there in order to achieve the success that you desire for yourself and that ultimately your organization desires for you as well. So think about this for a second. You have typically a calendar in which you have built out your week. You've scheduled probably meetings, phone calls, both internal and external, but then you also have all of these tasks. You have all of these things that you need to get done. And that could be anything from responding to emails. That could be making cold calls. That could be building out your social media calendar or maybe posting and engaging on social media. Like all of these things are tasks that we as salespeople are responsible to do on a daily, weekly basis. And so the challenge becomes, where do I fit those into a calendar that is already quite full? Or just where do I fit those into a calendar even if it's not full? And so what you'll be able to see is that in ChatGPT, you can prompt it to help you fill your calendar. And there are some additional ways to do this, but I'm just going to keep this very simple for now. But if you were to, as I shared last week, take a screenshot of your calendar, throw it into ChatGPT, and then say to ChatGPT, here are my tasks for today. I've got to follow up with 5 prospects. I've got to cold call 10 new leads. I need to update my CRM and prepare a proposal. How long should it take me to do each of those tasks? That would be the first question. Then once it gives you the answer to that question, then say, okay, with my available time in the day or the week, can you please prioritize those tasks for maximum impact? And then the third question you're going to want to ask it is, can you fill my calendar with those tasks based upon the priorities we've determined and the time that I have available? ChatGPT is going to produce for you a recommended schedule based upon everything that you have shared and the things you already have built into your schedule for the day or for the week. Here's something that you can do that's even better. If you want to optimize your schedule far ahead of time, is you could say to yourself that on a weekly basis, I need 2 hours for following up with prospect opportunities. I need an hour for cold calls, and I need an hour for CRM updates every single week. Help me to prioritize these tasks on a weekly basis. And it will lay out for you a suggested schedule. What you could do is you could actually ask ChatGPT to recommend for you the best days and times to do those things based upon highest productivity tasks of a sales professional, and it can give you some additional recommendations. So there are a lot of ways that you can engage ChatGPT to help you prioritize your schedule, but it's stuff that you just have to engage and interact with like a normal human being. ChatGPT will adapt to your needs and your tasks, so you can start off by telling it what to do, but what I recommend is that you ask it questions to help further explain what you're actually looking for. Look, this is one simple way to build out your sales calendar to ensure that you're not just having your meetings, that you're not just taking your calls, but that you're engaging in the most high priority tasks to ensure that you're being successful in a day in and day out basis. And if you don't know what goes into an ideal sales week, into an ideal sales calendar, you can download our Building Your Ideal Sales Calendar resource. It's free. It's in the link below. And that is a good way to help you think through what needs to go into a successful sales week, what needs to go into successful sales days in order for you to achieve your goals. So if you want to start optimizing your sales calendar, if you want to start achieving much greater sales success, I recommend you download that free tool and then you start engaging with ChatGPT to help you along the way. If you need further support, I would say go back and watch our first video. We talked about some prioritization with Calendly, with Motion, and then with ChatGPT, and continue to subscribe and keep an eye out for upcoming videos because we're going to be going through a 12-week series on how to leverage AI to become more successful in sales. Thank you guys so much for engaging, for watching. Comment and let me know what you would like to see in a future video around how you can leverage AI to achieve sales success. And as I always say, if you need anything from me, please feel free to reach out. Thanks so much. Chat again soon.